Hi everyone, I'll show you how to install and remove your SIM card from the Moto Z3, as you can see right here. So it's going to be on the top right here. There's a little pin. You'll need to stick it in a little hole. So you'll need to use the Motorola pin or something like so. You stick it in and it's going to pop out. And here's your SIM card tray. So it shows you which way SIM card is supposed to be in and the memory card. So you put your SIM card and memory card this way. Okay, it's gonna be this way. Just look at the picture which way it's supposed to be in. And once you put it in, you get the phone and then slide it in a different way. Okay, now you install it, and then if you want to remove it, same thing, just pull it out. Push on it, and it's gonna come out. And here's your SIM card and memory card. Just remove it. Here it is, came out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thumbs up.